Welcome to this big and bright 2-bedroom in the heart of Hell's Kitchen. We are here on Restaurant Row, and I am in the open concept living and dining area. I'm gonna rotate around here a little bit so you can see the setup. You have a nice open living space, plenty of sun, a breakfast bar with a cabinet, and it's really a great spot to relax, have some snacks, watch a game, hang out. Nice open kitchen. You will never feel cramped in this kitchen, and it's really good on the storage because you see here under the island breakfast bar, there's cabinets, there's more cabinets, and then here there is a dishwasher, full-size gas range, oven, refrigerator, and lots more cabinets. So if you're somebody who always has a little bit of extra stuff from the supermarket, or maybe you want to put your appliances here, you can finally have that air fryer or Cuisinart or some of those things that we give up in New York. You can have a soda stream. So here is a look at the kitchen area. And also I want to show it to you from this angle. There is quite a foyer here. So this is going to keep your apartment so quiet. You're not going to hear people going down the hall. And you could do some creative use here. Obviously they have some coat hooks here. This will be very nice in the winter. Maybe if you want to leave your boots here. But it's just a very impressive entrance. Okay, so here we are back in the kitchen. There is the hallway to the bathroom in bedroom number 2, but first we're gonna take a walk over to bedroom number 1, which is a big bedroom. Here you go. Has a very nice, bright, open feel. You can easily put a king bed here, some nightstands. This would also actually be, if you wanted to put a desk right here, you just need to make sure that you're clearing the door, but you could put a small desk here. But definitely a very comfortable sized bedroom with a closet. So this is bedroom number 1. And also good privacy for roommates from each other because the 2 bedrooms are so far from each other. So bedroom number 2 here is more of your classic Hell's Kitchen, really a queen-sized bed here. I mean, you might be able to get a king in, but it would take up a lot of the space. You could do a queen here and still have room for a dresser, bookshelf, nightstand. You have a closet here. And you have some nice exposed brick. You have good light. And the ceilings are nice and high. You also have the recessed lighting, and you have 4 of them, so you don't really have to fuss too much with lamps. Okay, here is the bathroom. I love this little marble shelf in between the tub and the sink. I just like how separate that is. Like somebody could take a bath and sort of, it's like a bath backsplash. I'm not sure that's the thing, but see, there's like a nice backsplash from the bath. Decent sized tub, sink, mirrors, storage there. And I'm gonna just step on over this way and wind things up relaxing in this nice big living room and kitchen.